What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and I'm back again with another one, man. Yes, I'm back again with another one. You already know the deal. I ain't even gonna say too much. We just back again with another banger, man. Banger. Heat. So like the video right now. I'm not gonna ask no more, and I'm gonna chill out, bro. I know you don't want me to rough you up real quick like I did in the last videos, bro. I know you still recovering. You got the little neck brace on. My bad, bro. But in today's video, I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how to double compress. Basically, I'm gonna show y'all the best compression. Like, y'all wanna get the best compression. Those of y'all who know already, you already know, like, you see it already. You see what I'm gonna talk about. But those of y'all who don't know, y'all here to learn. So, you woofing, you feel me? And I ain't gonna get too deep off into woofing. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna just speak on it a little bit. But like, you woofing, bro, you going on high numbers of woofs, you feel me? And you're just trying to lay your hair down. Or you just woofing and you brushing with a hard brush, of course. You wanna brush with a hard brush, but you start off with that medium, that Rico's merch. Yes. Hey, don't mind. I just dropped another brush. Must not been meant to be in my collection. But anyway, we got that, you know, Rico's merch brush right here. As y'all can see, focus that up right quick. In a minute, I'm finna choke the camera. Anyway, that Rico's merch medium right there, gonna get you one. So start off with that Rico's merch medium. You know, brush until your hair get hard, then you switch to a hard brush. I will be having more brushes coming soon, hard brushes and etc. More other wave products, different things. You know, only thing I am gonna give y'all is I'm gonna have more brushes coming soon. Obviously, I'm not gonna just have one type of brush. But anyway, that's another topic for a different video. But anyway, you brushing, you get to your hard brush after you're done using that Rico's merch. You know, Rico Surf brush right there, that medium. You feel me? Black edition. You brushing. Feel me? It's time to lay the woof down. So now you're using a hard brush, you get into high number woof stays. Then you discover something like this. This right here, guys, is what you want to call a two-sue rag. Now this is not the two-sue rag. This is like somebody else came out with one. It's basically a knockoff. Let's just say that, because it don't got the two-sue sign. But the two-sues are like, you know, they're expensive, bro. They're like almost as much as a brush. That's why I be telling y'all, like, waving really a lifestyle. Like, you feel me? This is like a whole nother. This is like taking care of a kid. You might as well say, bro. It's expensive. I mean, but we're taking care of a kid. That's more of like you gotta spend and you gotta do things like that. But this is more like that hobby, that race car or something like that you want to build, but you always gotta buy new parts. We can just say that. So basically, this right here is just a knockoff two-sue rag. You feel me? I got it from a beauty supply. And y'all probably wondering, what's a two-sue? Y'all probably wondering like, oh, what's a two-sue rag? What's a two-sue rag? You feel me? It basically helps with compression. And the way y'all looking at it, y'all like, where is the strings? I'm gonna show y'all how it go on. So it got Velcro on it. First of all, it's got Velcro straps. And it straps onto your head a certain way. So it's the best compression. They have compression rags that are like, you feel me, do-rags, compression do-rags. I've tried some of those, but it's like you're gonna spend so much time pulling to try to get it compressed, you know, more than a regular silky, and your head gonna hurt. You're gonna be pulling on your head, it's gonna be hurting because of the strings. So that's why they invented this. But the two-sue, like I said, the two-sue rag prices, they like $35, they like $30. Like, I'm like, dang, for a do-rag, 30 something? My do-rag's only like $15, $14.99. You can't beat it. But I mean, 30 ain't, that's only like a couple dollars different, but it's too much sometimes. You know, I ain't trying to spend no $30 on no do-rag. Most I spend on a do-rag is what, 15? You can't go wrong with 15. 15, I mean, but you know, when you order multiple, it adds up to about 30 something, but you get multiple. But I ain't gonna lie, the two-sue rack is worth investing in. I might give me one because I want some more colors than this, just black and orange or gold, whatever you want, whatever, you know, but this orange, this ain't gold. But enough talking, man. Let me just show y'all how it goes on, bro. So you want that best compression, bro? This is what you need to wear. This is what you need to do. You feel me? You get your tutu rag, you find what side you want to wear it on. You feel me? So, let me see, which side have I been wearing it on? It really doesn't even matter. It's universal, whichever side, you know. So you just take it. All right, y'all, so you want to just throw it on like this. My bad, somebody knocked on the door. But you just throw it on like this. And what I like to do is just flip it over like this, right? So that way, and it's real silky, so it's gonna slide, you feel me? But you gotta, you feel me? Maybe that's just this one I got right here was only $6, bro, at your local beauty supply. So what you do is just take the Velcro to the straps to the back. You put that on the back like that. If I was wondering what the price was, I didn't say. It was $6 or whatever, you feel me? It was $6 or whatever from a little beauty supply. And if they ain't got it at your beauty supply, if you're a waver, bro, I'm pretty sure, well, if you haven't, you need to kind of hit all your local beauty supplies, bro, because you might come up on something nice, a nice comb, maybe a brush or something. I found some Torino Pros at a beauty supply out here, and I'm like, I'm blue. I'm like, wow, I could have been, I didn't have to order them. I could have just ran and got one. But that's a different story. But yeah, you feel me? Just make sure you hit your little beauty supplies, because they got some beauty supplies that's like your beauty supplies and your Sally's. Don't forget. They got some beauty supplies that are like, I know y'all know what I'm talking about. If you're a real waver, you know what I'm talking about. They got some beauty supplies that are like, you feel me, wholesale type of stuff in there, but it also has the normal beauty supply things like combs and natural, you feel me, olive oils and all the name brand products, but they have wholesale other stuff in there. And then they have some, excuse me, that are like more so a little bit of everything. And then they have the ones that are more official and just branded, y'all know what I mean. And so if you know what I'm talking about, you do. You know, they got like that's more official, nice lights, and you know, everything is all decorated glass. And then they have some that are just like, you walk in, everything is cluttered in like this, like packed, but they got everything you need. And then they got some that, like the one I went to where I got the rag from, is just like, you feel me, that's like some place that somebody opened themselves, and like they wholesale they own stuff and other people's things out of there. And they also are, you know, ooh, my knuckles, hold on. Jeez, why y'all ain't say nothing? Y'all just got me talking to y'all and my knuckles looking like who did it? Like I just dipped my hand in the cookie jar? Hold on, bro. You get that Rico's merch oil. It ain't only for your hair, bro. Damn, I got some in here? Hold on, wait a minute. Okay. Well, I try to transform this knuckle though. This knuckle ashy, I ain't gonna lie. This raw too, I ain't cutting this out. Watch this, bro. You see my knuckles now? I just brought them to life with the Rico's essence oil. That Rico's essence oil is on the website too. You can get you some. Rub it on your knuckles, your skin, your face. Just not your eyes, cause that's my disclaimer. Not your eyes, bro. Cause just rub it on like your beard and stuff like that. That's what I use to help my beard grow. A little bit of that I use to help my beard grow. But if y'all want some beard videos or something like that, something that I focus more on my beard, I can do that for y'all to show you how I grew this. You feel me? Give more detail on that. It ain't fully grew it or nothing like that, no crazy how I want it, but yeah. But before we get fully all talking about some beard, let me know down in the comments if y'all want a video like that. For those of my people who want to try to grow a beard or take nothing to something, I know y'all see my progress if y'all are a true OG. If not, go back and watch all my old videos, because you probably need some tips also, and then you can see the beard process also. But if y'all need some tips, just let me know down in the description below. I mean, ooh, not the description, the comments. It's late, y'all, I'm kind of tired. Anyway, so look at that, big difference, right? Knuckles ain't ashy no more. But anyway, like I said, take the strap and just tie it on there like that. And the piece of this compression is you flapping it and you pulling it back and tying it in the back, like not even tying it, bro. This is new. Honestly, this ain't even new. Tutu caps and stuff like that been out. I just never got them because I didn't really understand the concept. But now that I know, bro, I might go crazy and grab me a few $30 two suit rags, even though this one was $6. But they ain't got no more colors, so because if they did, I sure wouldn't. I was gonna grab some more colors. But we're gonna get some 2 suit caps just to keep it official. But you wanna just pull it down in the back like this. Make sure that strap on there right though. When it's fully on there. Just like that. And you just take the back like this. Don't worry about, make sure it's down kind of too. So it'll get on there, and then you just take the flap, pull it up like this, and you Gucci. Don't worry about that hair sticking out. That normally sticks out. Your do-rag just covers it. And then, well, you keep it flat, for me, like that. And then here's the part where you pulling it to get that extra compression. And then of course you want to pull it down to your hairline. Make sure it's flat. And then you can press down, tuck the back. Just like that. You pull it all the way down and just have it all back there tucked. And then as far as the front, just hit it with one of these, bro. You can wear it like that, you feel me? But mine is a little off in the front. Cause I got it a little too high in the front, it should be higher in the back. So we're gonna take that off and redo it. Oh, I just dropped it. But you can tie it like that. There's multiple ways you can tie it, and the compression is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, but you do need to wear another cap though, because these are silky and they'll slip off your head. So sometimes I'll be having to wear like another cap. But I've never had the official 2 suit cap, so those might hit different than this one, you feel me? Let me know down in the comments if you got one, if you could just wear these alone. But I'm pretty sure if you want double the compression, you want to go ahead and throw like another cap on, boo-boo cap on top of this when you do it, or like a you know, a silky or something. But yeah, we're gonna show you how to do it this way though. Same way, just it ain't gonna be all the way up on the front. You feel me? We're gonna go up on the back more. So here we just gonna flip. A little bit, you feel me? Just like that. And then same process in the back. Put it together in the back, make sure it's cool. Same process, so y'all see. Then you fully pull it down. Make sure it ain't Velcro stuck. It ain't stuck. Now you just bring it towards the front. Now that look a little bit more official and nice. You know, more so cool. So you can wear it like that. I mean, there's plenty other ways you can style it, bro. I like that part because it ain't too messed up. It's to the point. Or you could wear it another way. You feel me? But the compression is crazy, bro. If you can't find none at none of your local beauty supplies, at least you took the effort to go to different beauty supplies and Sally's, and you probably picked up some few things while you was there. Also, you was looking for the cap at the same time, but you feel me? Hey, if you can't find it, you just can't find it. I got lucky. I just got lucky. But look, if you feel me, I just got lucky. I don't know. But if you ain't find it, they $30. It's kind of steep, but trust me, I got the knockoff, and I'm proud to say I got the knockoff because it's kind of steep. But hey, if you got it, go ahead and spend it. You feel me? I got it, but you feel me? I really take a deal first and test to see how it is. $6, you can't go wrong if I don't like it. That's just $6. But with the 30, you can't do that, go wrong. Damn, I spent 30. You feel me? But hey, I know now I'm gonna get the $30 one, but there's plenty of different ways you can style it, bro. You feel me? you can start off in the back and do the back first. This is what I typically do. I like to strap the back down like this. You feel me? Make sure them flaps is out. Put the back down there so it'll be out my way. Pull the front like this. You feel me? Make sure it's in the back. Then you pull these apart. Hey, look, then you pull these apart. Damn. And pull down, come up. Same way, just different, you know. Same way. Still got one on there the same way, and you just pull it down in the back. You know, like that. However you feel comfortable, or you don't even gotta start off from the back first. You can just do it from the front. I'm just showing y'all different ways at this point. You can do it from the back and as if it was the front. You feel me? So you take the front. Hey, don't make fun of me. Look. Hey, look. So you just, you feel me? Pull down the back. Flip it where your hair, you know, your hair stop. Pull it around the front. Ooh, I look like a retard. Hey, don't make fun of me, bro. And just wear it like that. No, I'm BSing. But take it off like that. And you just strapping Velcros, bro. One on top of the other. And then you line that up. That way you can tuck the Velcro strap in the front so it won't look like you got like a, you feel me? You feel me? In the front. And then you strap it down in the back. Honestly, I feel like this way is cool too, and it probably won't slip off like that. I'm still testing them, but I know that this compression is crazy. I'm still testing them though because like, they be kind of sliding off at night by just wearing this. So I might try this way where the compression is in the front and the strap is in the back. So it's like, you know, wrapped it this way, flipped it on top of the wrap, on top of the, you feel me, the Velcro, and then put it to the back. So I'm gonna see what this way do. Cause I've never wear, that's like wearing it backwards, but I feel like it's more compression this way and it won't slide off. Cause I'm having a tendency to wear the back is a little slippery, you know, the back is a little slippery. But now we got the strap back there, I feel more secure. So I'm gonna try one more night with it like that. And then on my next video, so you gotta keep watching. So right now you gotta like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications if you haven't, so you can watch the next video. So when I come on the next video, you feel me, when y'all see the next video, I'm gonna give y'all a little tip in the middle of whatever video it is. It ain't gonna be a video dedicated to how to, you know, double compress or get more better compression or whatever. It's gonna be a different type of video, but I'm gonna still talk about the rack, you feel me? So I'm testing it out as I go, but so far I feel like it's good enough to bring it to YouTube and show y'all the different ways you can strap it on, you feel me? And yeah, bro, I'm doing a lot of talking, bro. It's your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post. Turn on. Look, I'm trying to keep my composure, bro. You already got your neck brace on. I'm not trying to rough you up, bro. But I'm kind of gonna need you to turn on post notifications so you can watch the next video, so you can see the process, so you can see if this way that I wrapped it works better than wrapping it the front way.